Oh my gosh, she was taking a bite out of your head. Are you taking a bite out of Daddy's bald head? He really wants to take a chunk out of that.
Are you biting me, Buster?
You're trying to take bites of Daddy. He really wants to get a bite of you. That'll feel so good on those toofies, won't it, Bugs?